welcome to my channel. This is Deck 5G transformation. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to tie bow tie gele. This one is bow tie, you know that bow tie. So I'm going to teach you guys, but the front I'm going to do the layer here, outcome. So the name of this zigzag I'm going to create here, we call it outcome. So I'm going to use two color, white and black. So guys, stay with me. Enjoy. Share, like, drop your comment down below. Let's get started. This is the final look. Guys, thank you for your patience. Thank you. More surprises are coming. In case you have any question about this particular style, this style is called bow tie. Bow tie. As you can see, it's bow tie. How come bow tie? Gele. This place, we call this place how come. How come? This is not the normal plaiting. This is how come plaiting. How come bow tie? So drop your comment down below for me. Drop your comment down below if you have any question, you have any Gele tutorial, you want me to teach you how to tie it, just inbox me. My number is there on my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. My contact is there. Yes, if you want any Gele style, if you want any question, the length, you need any question, you are free. Feel free to inbox me. I do training how to do Gele, different styles. I do makeup training, how to do the loud one, how to do the simple makeup. I do bridal hair training, the traditional training, okuku, the white wedding for the bride, hairstyle. Guys, rock my channel. Subscribe on your bell for the latest. Thank you.
Thank you.
She is popping.